This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to count cells with text in Excel aligned with their use cases. Excel deals with a variety of data of diverse data types. Excel can accept data in the form of numbers, text, characters, and operators. When storing a large amount of data, storing and retrieving one particular type of data can be quite difficult. In a spreadsheet consisting of different data types, you might sometimes have to pinpoint the cells with text and count them to perform any functional operation. There are multiple ways to count cells with text in Excel. You can use the countif function and the asterisk symbol to count cells with text. Equal countif A1 to A11. As you can see, the formula doesn't count numbers and empty cells. You can also create an array formula to count cells with text. Sum if is text A1 to A11 1. Numbers, booleans, true or false, blanks and errors are not counted as text. The following countif function counts cells with text and excludes cells with a space character. Equal countif A1 to A11 asterisk A1 to A11 less or greater than. To count cells with booleans, you should use following formula. Sum product is text A1 to A11 plus sum product is logical A1 to A11. There are some errors. Okay, I fixed it. I had a mistake. As you can see, cells with booleans are counted using this function. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.